only broken. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stay next to him. Shifter.
Nice. Lee's reacting. Back up.
Nice.
Good.
I'm almost here.
I have a heal. Stay with Robert. I'm with Robert. Robert. Alright, I got a shield for you.
I'm getting shifter.
I still have heal. I got a speed up for broken. I have a heal for broken.
Nice.
Cocoon.
No tower.
I have 2 seconds. Speed on 2 seconds. Stay next to him.
Nice.
We can go on this. Going broken shard. Broken shard. Okay, going on west right.
Guys have Corky behind you. I'm trailing him. Corky's running away. Good job.
Nice job.
Dropping dangerously low. The fight's going to come in. Here comes the engage. Who's going to get it? Shockwave comes in. Zony's popped by Prowley. Spike goes to Broken Shard, and the fight is there. Zion forced away. Gets the Mikhail seal. He goes down. compLexity.Black 1 for 0 so far. Broken Shard on the back lines. Can Coast clean up? Broken Shard will fall. The fight's still going on. Wiz Fusion, can he turn up big? He has to turn back. Westrice gets the damage, but he goes down.
Slow.
I got
Get out. Get out.
Okay, we got this.
So let's go mid. Let's go in this. 60 seconds. We got this.
Yes!